Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update brand photography presets in Lightroom for cohesion. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening Lightroom on your computer. Navigate to the library module. Locate the folder containing your brand photography presets. Select the preset you wish to update. Right-click on the selected preset. Choose Edit from the drop-down menu. This will open the Develop module. Adjust the settings to match your desired brand style. Focus on elements like exposure, contrast, and color balance. Make sure to maintain consistency with your brand's aesthetic. Once satisfied with the adjustments, go to the Presets panel on the left. Click on the plus icon at the top of the panel. Select Create Preset from the options. Name your updated preset carefully for easy identification. Check all the settings you wish to include in the new preset. Click Create to save your updated preset. Repeat these steps for any other presets you wish to modify. Finally, test your updated presets on different images to ensure cohesion. Make any final adjustments as needed for consistency across your brand photography. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.